K. Jagannathan. I'm Senior Manager Quality. With me, Balaji, his manager, and Shivaraj is Deputy Manager. So Standard Iron, if you see, actually we have the headquarters in US. We have 5 plants all over the world. One in US, India, China, Italy, and Sharjah. And here in India, we are since 2003, we are certified IATF 16949, ISO 14001 and OSHA's 18001, and also BIQS level 3, which was certified by General Motors India. And our turnover in India is around 180 crores. Globally, we are around 2,500 crores. And we have certain awards which we have won in 2019, winner of Excellence in Quality Development. This was given by Manufacturing Today, organized by Aditya Birla Group. So we also won the CIA Excellence in Energy Management Award, and we are winning this award since 2015. And this year we also won the Best Supplier Award from General Motors US. Our products, if you see, we are making fuel pumps. We are giving for gensets as well as tractors. And our customers, we have around 12 customers. And here, if you see, major customers are John Deere and Kirloskar and also Fiat. And Mr. Balaji will take us through the define and measure phase of DAMEC approach.
Good evening all. In the define phase, actually our complaint is fuel leakage from the hydraulic head, which is contributing 35.3% of our total rejection in SIPL. Our target is zero rejection from the fuel leakage. The leakage will be in the yellow point. In that we are receiving the leakage. These are the parts included in the list. In the sealing surface got leaked. This is our defect. So far we are received 6 defects from November 2018 to March 2019. Yes. This is our in-house ppm. We are around 2345 ppm. Total reject is 6, and our Pareto is 35.3% in total rejections. This is our cost of poor quality. It will incur around 71,600 rupees for overall year in a year. This is our cost of poor quality. This is our process flow. We receive the blank material from supplier. We are doing the drilling tapping, then heat treatment, then sleeve pressing is there, then connector assembly, then leak testing is happening. Here it is the escape point, then final assembly, and then we do the calibration. This is our leak test process. This is SIPOC. Our process is leak testing. Our input is hydraulic head and work instructions. Our supplier is our soft line and our supplier quality and blank from the supplier. Our output is fuel injection pump. Our customer is OEM. Our project is started in February 2019 in second week and completed in April 30th. This is our team members. Measure phase. First of all, we do the attribute measurement analysis. In that, our effectiveness is 86.7% and our miss rate is 5.6%. Overall, it is marginal. Then we do the analysis with our master. In that, not okay master frequently found okay in the leak test process. Let's summarize. We conduct the MSA in that particular equipment. Overall effectiveness is 86.7% and miss rate is 5.6%, and our not okay master is found okay in current process. Let's hand over to Jagannathan.
So in the analyze phases, we got together, actually we did the brainstorming. We did brainstorming based on forum. This shows the Ishikawa diagram where we have taken all the possible causes which would have given rise to this particular defect, this leak issue. And here is a dimensional report for good part as well as the bad part. In this, we check the barrel dimensions as well as the connector dimensions which are contributing to this leak. So here we can see the cone angle of the barrel going out of spec. Requirement is around 180 degrees and it is around 123 degrees. And apart from that, we have taken the critical dimensions with respect to the same barrel as well as the connector. For barrel, we have taken the cone roughness, cone angle, and for the connectors, if you see, we have taken the angle as well as the runout. And here 1, if you see, is the higher side, -1 is the lower side, 0 mentions a leak, and 1 is no leak. So we have made a DOE out here. We have seen one factor at a time, and we have checked the results, leak results. And the inference you can very well see from this plot, cone angle barrel shows a lot of difference out there, which is causing this particular leak issue. When it goes on the higher side, leakage happens. We actually plotted the process capability also. Here for the cone angle of barrel, you can see PPK is 1.35, which is not capable, whereas for roughness, we can see somewhere around 3.92, where the process was capable. So in the YY analysis, we found the tool flute angle was not finished, and this spec was not given in drawing also. The tool flute angle is 120 degree plus or minus 1 degree, which was within spec, but the finish wasn't okay, and it is not mentioned in our drawing. Actually, we are giving the drawing to the supplier, it is not mentioned in that. So we made a trial actually. The tool number was 44349. So before condition, no spec was given in the drawing, and we have taken it as 0.2 to 0.3. We made several trials, and we got this particular, the required finish, and the result was okay actually. It was within the spec. And for detection control, if you see the rubber sealant in the leak test fixture, we had certain dimensions given in the drawing. So we actually took the dimensions for each of the condition. In new condition, 200, 400, and 500. And in 500, we have seen a variation in the dimensions. So approximately when you reach 500 numbers, the rubber sealant dimensions are varying. It is going beyond spec. Apart from that, in the same leak test fixture, we have the stem height is 6.5 inches. So we made a trial again by reducing to 6 inches. And we took 3 OK part and 3 NOK parts, in which for 6.5 inches, you can see a leak part showing as not okay, no leak. Whereas for 6 inches, it was perfect, where all the OK parts were no leak and NOK parts were showing as leak. So in this YY analysis, we can see 2 root causes for detection control. One is silicon rubber bush worn out, and fixture stem height is on the higher side. So this is the validation of all the probable causes which I have identified in the Ishikawa diagram. So most of the other cases are non-significant. The significant cases have been identified here. So this is the process flow for the entire barrel. Leak test we have already seen earlier, where we are detecting this particular leak. And in the drilling and tapping is occurrence prevention, where you will have to take the action. So in the summary of analysis phase, root cause 1, the barrel cone angle, is one of the major contributor for occurrence, and 2 root causes have been identified for defect control. That is one red silicon bush where was there, and fixture stem height is on the higher side. Now we come to the improvement phase, the actions which we have taken. In the tool process design, we added one more process. No edge honing process was there in the previous condition, whereas now we have provided edge honing and high polishing to achieve that particular finish of 0.12 to 0.13 microns. And after doing this particular activity, we took the process capability, and the PPK was 1.81, and it became capable. And this is the action which we have taken in the leak test fixture, where the stem height has been reduced from 165.1 to 152.4, which means 6.5 inches to 6 inches. And apart from that, we have set the rubber life as 400 numbers, because the failure was in 500 numbers, so we have made it as 400. And we also added a pressure indicator to check the inlet pressure condition, which wasn't earlier. And we did MSA again, attribute gauge, where the effectiveness you can see 100%, and miss rate and false alarm are 0. So the implemented actions were modified stem height fixture, sealing, rubber, where the life has been fixed, and pressure indicator is also provided for leak test machine. And we took 3 heads actually. We made a pump. We have 2 leak testing tables here. One is for the barrel assembly as well as for the pump testing. In both the conditions, we have checked the correlation. After implementing all the actions, it is actually correlating with each other. So this shows the elephant chart, where we can see 0 rejections from March onwards. So we had totally 6 rejections from November 18 to March 19. Beyond that, it is 0. And the PPM has dropped. This pump we are giving for Kirloskar engines. So from April onwards, we can see 0 ppm. And Mr. Sivaraj will explain us the controls which we have taken finally.
Good evening, sir. After implementation, we have updated some documents. First of all, workings we updated. So before you are using only one master, after we are introducing different model masters. The limit master given to updating in working section. Then life is before is not showing in working section, after giving the 400 numbers. We update working section. Another one more, before is not showing the air control, after you showing the air control, introducing the pressure control gauge. Before not introducing in our pump assembly, after that using the UV light, so checking the leak by visual. Before tooling is introducing the high passing, updating in our drawings. So it is one of the detections. So if not okay means automatically removing in our connector from the head. Okay. Can you show me the video? See the video. If not okay means automatically remove to the connectors from the head. It is showing out of spec. It is one of the error proofing during the assemblies. Next is updating the PFMEA. Before RPN was is 84, after RPN is 56. After that, updating the control plan. Before is using bar visual inspection the angle. After it is using the measurement system, change it from the 6 sheet. So it is overall summary of the project. So H policy introducing our tools. Then lead text picture dumps reduced from the 6.2 to 6. Then seal and rubber life fixed 400 numbers. Then new indicator pressure gauge introduced with our leak test. Then limit master provided in our different models. And the leak test inspection assembly using the UV light. The barrel cone angle is considered the critical characteristic of the drawing. We will update accurately. So auto control provided in our control torque machines after 55 Newton meters. So those are using the 7QC tools. The elements are different studies conducted in our project. So thank you, sir.
In your cost of poor quality, why is the calculation rate? You said some 71,000 rupees. Is that the total cost or what? Am I my understanding?
71,500 is actually for per annum. So we got in one particular month 6 numbers and 1 number rejection at customer end. So this, if you see for the next 6 months, it was one particular value. When you double that, it goes for 12 months. That's why they have mentioned that.
Oh, it is measured like okay. Is there any estimate? That is what I want to know. Have you made any assumption in computing that value?
We have a calculation where they take
Okay.
all the product cost, the process involved, and the inspection cost. We have a separate.
So what is the new cost of quality? Zero?
New
New
is zero.
cost.
Zero?
With respect to this particular difference.
Oh no, that is what. No, what I am looking for is what are the financial impact? Now what post the project, what is the financial impact?
That's why we showed in elephant chart also.
Yeah, that's zero.
Subsequent to April,
It
zero.
is zero. So zero. No, I just wanted to confirm that their cost of poor quality with respect to this is zero now. Okay. The second thing is this cone angle. What was your research? I am not clear. Was it an observation? Because any tool, flute angle is 120 degrees because that is core understanding of drilling. There will be
First
120
we
degrees.
identified an issue with barrel cone angle. So what would contribute to this particular deviation?
Is the
we
tool,
talked
yeah,
about.
okay.
So we actually took first we took actually the critical parameters with respect to the barrel. So we made a DOE for that and we arrived at the barrel cone angle. So what would contribute to this barrel cone angle is a tool.
Correct.
And several dimensions we have played in the tool.
Okay.
Which we haven't highlighted here.
No,
The
not
most
in here.
prominent we have taken, which we have identified, because the finish wasn't given in the tool.
Okay.
Since we are giving the tool drawing, we gave the finish in that particular area as 0.12 to 0.13 microns.
Okay, 0.2 to 0.3.
That was a
units.
trial and error basis, purely trial and error basis.
Okay,
which we got.
then what is it? Because that was not, I was not able to connect to the honing. Added a honing process.
Honing and polishing was
Polishing
done to
was-
achieve that particular roughness.
Okay,
Finish.
because that is what I was.
Edge polish.
0.12 to 0.13
Okay.
microns.
My only another query is the DOE, you did, what was the number of replications you used? And was it an attribute DOE? Because you are saying 0, 1. You said 0 is no, 1 is no leak and 0 is leak.
Zeros.
So what was the number of
One
replicates?
factor at a time we had.
No, DOE is not one factor at a time. Now, how many replicates did you do? Is there like, did you repeat that experiment?
It was just once.
It was just once. No, that is why, no, because your analysis was indicating to me that.
It was just once.
Okay.
This leakage, how you find in your house, in-house testing or from Kirloskar?
In-house.
In-house testing. And the testing, what, that is what fuel you are using, means what density of liquid you are using for this?
0.82. It is oil, sir. Castor oil
Castor
we are
oil.
using for testing.
No, what exactly in the application?
It is diesel.
No, what I mean to say, you can
becomes part of-
simulation you can do, but density you have to match, right? Because it is leakage, actual application diesel is flowing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
So now if you test with different thing, how you
Both are same, sir. We not able to
Actually,
test
this pump is a patent of Standardine. So.
agreed.
they
See,
were-
no, patent all agreed. See, what regular application your end user or customer going to use, we have to match with the same thing, no? When you are doing leak test, that is my doubt. I'm asking.
But during PPAP stage, they have discussed with the customer and they have signed off. And this has been given in the control plan that we are supposed to use this particular oil.
No, no. What I'm trying to understand is, if it is not leak in your test, the diesel will not leak. That is assumption.
Yes.
No, same.
properties both are same, sir. That is we have validated, sir. Whatever
That is,
diesel and
if
our
it doesn't
test oil.
leak here,
No, no. Why I'm asking is, why we are not using diesel at least 1 or 2 piece? That's any restriction or anything. I don't know. That's what I'm asking. Because actually they are using diesel. We are checking with some other fluid. No, for my understanding, I'm asking.
But test bench, in test bench we not able to use diesel. sir.
Diesel,
It
sir.
is,
Diesel is
in
not safe.
engines we can able to
Hazardous
use
is,
diesels.
Hazardous is a-
safety issues would be there.
Okay, this and this component you are doing at your supply place, right?
No.
No,
Won't
we are
make it.
doing that.
We are
Tool is from the supplier.
Only tool you are getting from the
Tool
supply.
you are
This
getting
this your in-house process.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.